All right, welcome back. Now we're going to do an example. And so in this case, we're multiplying. We've got two rational expressions, and we're going to multiply them. And so the first thing you want to do is factor, because we want to cancel. Remember, we want to cancel as much as possible. So if there's any common factors, we want to get rid of those in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to factor these out. So here I can factor out an x and a y. So I can write this as 2xy over xy times x plus 3. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the other term. Now this here is a quadratic trinomial. So we're looking for a term, a product that gives us 9, but when we add, gives us 6. Okay, and since they're both positive, we're going to have two positive numbers. So the answer is going to be 3. Okay, in fact, this is a, no it's not, I was going to say a perfect square, but it's not. So in this case here, we're going to factor this into x plus 3, hold on a second. Yeah, it is a perfect square. But I'm not going to, let me just write this way. X plus 3 times x plus 3. And now let's do the same thing here. We've got a greatest common factor of 4. So let's factor out the 4 and we get x plus 3. Okay, now notice how we're multiplying across the top and the bottom, right? So if we do that, we could just write this as one fraction, right? And so we get everything on the top and the bottom. Notice how we've got an x plus 3 here and an x plus 3 here. So we can divide those out, and so we get 1 and 1. And likewise, we get another one here. We get x plus 3 divided by x plus 3, so that's going to give us 1 over 1. And then we've got x and y here, which is going to cancel with the x and y here, so this is going to be divided out. And then we've got a 2 and a 4. So the 2, so this is going to be, they both have a common factor of 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And so notice how we get 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. So that's just going to give us 1. And then we got 1 times 1 times 2 times 1, which is going to be 2. So everything reduces to 1/2. And that's the answer.